Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you. And I have got Prettylittlething and it's the 12-day advent calendar. The cost of the advent calendar is £25 and it has a value of £108.50. As well as this one, they do have a 24-day advent calendar which will cost you £55. Links to this advent calendar and the £55 one I'll pop down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So I'm going to be opening this up day by day, showing you what's inside. Now last year I went for the 24-day. I thought I'd go for the 12-day this time, and I can't even find number one. Oh, right in the middle, right in the middle. Day number one. There is packaging in there. We have got a liquid eyeliner by Eyeko London. This is Black Magic, waterproof, lash enhancing, precision brush and carbon black. I'll just show you what it looks like. Yeah, I've had this numerous times. I'm always wearing black eyeliner, so handy to have another one. So that's day number one. Day number two, the packaging just doesn't want to come out, they're just stuck in there. We have got something for your hair. This is 72 for the Love of Hair, a new brand I haven't tried before. Repairing oil for all hair types, it's vegan, and there's 75 mils here. Okay, what can I tell you about it? Our luxurious, easily absorbed oil has been formulated to eliminate frizz, increase shine and protect against heat and environmental factors. Apply a small amount to towel-dried hair or dry hair and style as required. I just want to see what it's like. I know it's an oil. I know. I just want to try it. Ooh, it smells really nice. Give that a go on my dry hair. Day number three. Woo! Fell out on, hit me on my foot. We have got Tropez tanning mitt and a little Tropez mousse. This is a self tan express 1 hour tan. We've got 50 mils here. So a fake tan. I like this. I use this now and again. And yeah. Handy size to take away with you if you're going away for a week or something and you want to top up, then yeah, it's a handy duo to have. Although coming into winter, I don't really fake tan that often. I embrace my paleness. Unless I'm going out, I don't know, I'm going out for the night or something, then yeah, then I'll fake tan, but it's rare. Don't go out that much. So what are we on now? Day number 4. I think this is my first 12-day advent calendar, I think. I've lost count of how many advent calendars I've done so far, but it just feels like I'm just getting through it really quickly. And we've got a lip liner by Barry M. This is in shade So Chic. I'll just get this off. Oh, it doesn't want to draw on my hand where I've applied the oil. That's quite a dark shade for me personally, but that would make a gorgeous eyeliner, that shade. But yeah. That is quite dark, although I am wearing quite a dark lipstick, but yeah, I'll have to try it and see. So we've got a lip liner. Day number 5. Ooh. Again, packaging doesn't want to come out. We've got a Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Conditioning Shampoo for dry, damaged or colour treated hair, and there's 50 mils here. So I wonder if we'll get a shampoo in there as well to go with it. Or unless there might be shampoo in the full-size version. Actually, I don't know. Are the products the same in the £55 advent calendar? I don't know. They might be completely different. Ignore me. Ignore me. So day number 6. And we've got a wet cherry gloss from Lime Crime. This is really nice, actually. It's the smell of cherries. Oh, yeah. It's completely clear. No colour there, but oh, the smell. The smell is beautiful. Really, really glossy, and I do really like that. Day number 7. And we've got false eyelashes. These are by Prima, and these are Dainty Professional. Look at the size of those spiders. They are huge. Really pretty. They are massive, aren't they? Really, really pretty though, but for me, I would have to trim them. It would just annoy the heck out of me having really long lashes going into the corners of my eyes. Oh, no, 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 no. I won't be able to cope. Day number 8, Wet n Wild. This is a Megalast matte lipstick in Sandstorm. Look at the little lips there. Oh, this would be really nice with that lip liner. This shade is lovely. This shade I would actually wear. But yeah, I can imagine with the lip liner as well. Maybe if I applied the lip liner softly and just like tapped it into my lips. That's a gorgeous colour. I do really like that. I haven't had Wet n Wild for a long while. So there's that. Day number 9. Got something squidgy. We got a mask. This is a Unimask Beauty MasqueBar Rose Gold Foil Sheet Mask. It's enriched with extracts that help nourish and hydrate your skin. Soybean extract, mushroom extract and witch hazel water. So you've got a sheet mask there. A few more to go. Day number 10. And we have got one of the most amazing mascaras out there. I love this. Absolutely love it. You might not be able to see, but it's Iconic London. Iconic London mascara. Oh, I've only ever tried one of their mascaras. I hope it's the same. Yes, I think so anyway. Yeah, triple threat. Now these type of ones, normally I'd be like, oh, no, do not suit me whatsoever. I've got really short, straight, thin lashes and I really need a big brush normally to like lift them and grab them and lengthen them. This is amazing. This mascara is amazing. I had it in, is it a Look Fantastic beauty box, a limited edition, all Iconic London. Honestly, I used to love Too Faced better than Sex. No, this smashes it. This smashes it. I absolutely love this mascara. Love the fact that there's a full-size version of this in this calendar. Yeah. Day number 11. We've got a Real Techniques Beauty Blending Sponge. I love these. I use sponges all the time. These are lovely sponges. So glad to have a nice clean new one. So there's that. Last day of the advent calendar, day number 12. Oh, I got lipstick all over my teeth. I can feel it. Now that I've put this gloss on, I'm really self-conscious. Got red teeth. And we have got a butter gloss from NYX in shade Madeline. I think that's it, Madeline. I unboxed a NYX advent calendar, the 24 or 25 day advent calendar this year. And I'm sure this was in there. This is a full size one. Let's try it out. Love it. Love it. Can you see? So it's a nice nude. Nice glossy nude there. You can see everything else on my hand. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this year's Prettylittlething 12-day advent calendar. The cost of the advent calendar is £25 and it has a value of £108.50. I love the fact that there's Iconic mascara in there. I love it. This lipstick as well, I really like. The Wet n Wild lipstick, this one, that is a gorgeous colour. Black eyeliner, yeah, you know, it's handy. I'm wearing thick black eyeliner on my eyes today with a bit of green, I think I've got. Green or blue, I can't remember now. So I wear it all the time, but it would have been nice to see a different shade. I can't remember what else is in there now. We've got a sponge, masks. Yeah, I do think for £25, this is a nice advent calendar. There's some really nice products in there. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought one for yourself, or have you bought one to give to someone for December, Christmas, whatever? I'd love to hear your thoughts, even if you think it is rubbish. Because we're all different in what we like, isn't it? But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.